Hello everybody. Tonight I want to make something for tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Wednesday. Everybody know tomorrow it's Valentine's Day. I want to show somebody maybe can make that one. I want to make it tonight for Valentine's Day. I want to make a steak with a lobster tail. I got a steak, I put salt and black pepper. Got no bones. After one time it's cooked, I want to put some of the butter. This butter got inside, do all the time. You got parsley, garlic, hot pepper, salt, black pepper. But with a hot oil baby pepper inside, it give a really, really little spice. If the lobster tail, I got the same thing. I got the butter right over here. I want to pick up. Okay. And I got the same thing over here. You got a garlic, parsley, hot pepper, everything. And now I like to squeeze a little lemon over here, a little bit more. All right. And I got a brush. And I want to mix everything together like that. And I want to brush the lobster tail with the butter and the garlic, everything. Look how beautiful looking.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for staying with us tonight.
Okay, now what I want to do, I want the butter, see go out, it go right over here, and we put one lobster tail over here, and one over here like this. And now I finish to put the butter, everything on the top.
Yeah, tonight we have Valentine's Day, yes. Tonight and tomorrow. And next day too.
Okay. And now, happy Valentine's Day everybody. And thank you so much for your support. And thank you for the star. Chin chin e salute everybody. I hope tomorrow somebody make a nice dinner. Chin chin. Yeah, I got over here nice rose. Huh? Okay. Now this is the lobster tail, it's done. And this you gotta cook like maybe, let's just say about 12 to 13 minutes. Okay, you don't gotta cook too much. Because if you cook too long, it comes tough. Okay, let's put it in the oven.
No, we don't have champagne, just wine.
Okay, and we got the oven.
Today it was impossible to go to the store because the weather was such a bad weather.
It's 400 degrees. And today, the snow, I have a shovel, a lot of snow, but I did, you never know, tonight gonna be cold and maybe freeze. But I clean up all my driveway, but I have to do everything by hand, because the snow, it was wet. And when it's wet, the snow blow, it don't work right. I did it with the shovel.
Look, the temperature, what temperature you put?
I put it 400 degrees.
Okay.
400. Okay, now, we got these pots, and I want to use these pots in the back. Maybe we put over here. All right. Okay. And we put these pots over here for the steak. I put in the back, I don't want the alarm to go crazy.
Oh, you gotta put on anyway.
But I put a little bit on the fan, like this, All right. Now, we got this steak. And this steak, I want to use
12 minutes.
Huh?
12 minutes.
Yeah, I want to use a little drop oil, but not too much.
No, today was really bad. The snowing was crazy and very heavy. Heavy snow, like wet.
Okay, and we leave like this. And we leave warm up another pot. Okay. And we do little salute e cin cin everybody. Cin cin.
What everybody's making tomorrow for dinner? For your loved one?
Well, tomorrow everybody got a good dinner. Maybe a lot of people, maybe a lot, you go out at the restaurant to go eat. Hey, I want to say something else. I eat at home.
How many minutes for lobster?
For the lobster, I was to say about 13 minutes. Yeah, 13 minutes. So everybody go out, you go with the car, make sure so you don't drink, not drive the car, okay? I don't want something to happen to nobody.
Pasta with scallops, sounds good. Appetizers, maybe steak. Yeah, I know, I think it's better to eat home because restaurant is like 11 minutes, thank you. Restaurant will be busy, so you cannot even enjoy it.
I like eat at home. Like this, you do is you want to drink a little bit, and you drink. But you go to the restaurant, like I said, better watch out. Do not drive, please. And so you want to go, call it a cab. And you go home. It's all.
Uber.
Or you can take the bicycle. Take a bicycle, and like this, you don't got no problem.
Yeah, maybe more problem.
Okay, this is ready, and we put the steak. All right. I'll take this dish out, and we get it. Put the dish to the
I
steak.
know, you see? Horrible accident.
Okay, now this is the steak. I want to cook like maybe 3 minutes and 3 minutes. Okay, I'll put on low. It's no really high flame.
Uncle Joe, you say hello to you.
Hello, Uncle Joe. Happy Valentine's Day and drink a little wine.
And somebody was saying Denise, she got an accident because she was drinking.
Well, let me tell you something else too. I think a couple of years ago, it was a summer holiday, but I don't remember what kind of holiday. And I said to everybody the same thing. I said, see, you go out and you gotta drink, please do not drink. Now, this, the parents have to write it to me. He said the son, he was to take the car with his friend, he was to go out, eat. He wasn't drink. What happened, he got an accident, he died. And I feel really, really bad. He said to me like this, Pasquale, why I don't was to listen to you like this, I don't was to give the key for the car to my son to go out and eat and drink. Like I said, make sure that you want to go out, drink, but not drive the car. Okay, I keep the fan on. I don't want to start the ring, alarm off. That's why I check. Look. When I cook on the barbecue, it's okay. It's no problem. But inside, right away, the little smoke, right away go on. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
It looks good. E hanno sì molto i gambe the smoke, but not too much. Salute chin chin, and thank you so much for the star. Chin chin. Salute.
I know, I hope everything will be okay, that nothing serious. Because today we heard it was a lot of accidents. It was very slippery on the road. We will make arugula salad just. Just take little time to cook.
Yeah.
So maybe if somebody want to ask him question.
It was a nice day. Maybe I was cooking the steak outside like this. I have no problem. But over here, right away, so it little smoke, right away, the alarm will go off. I think for everybody, so you got the alarm right away, it go on, it go on.
You, steak you gotta do medium, you do medium?
Yeah. Okay, no why. Huh?
Unless you stick in the oven. No? No?
You want to put it in the oven?
So maybe it will be not. We take out together with the lobster. No?
Yeah, I don't want the alarm to go off, you know, everybody know it's really pain when it. Okay. We can put it in the oven like this, no got no problem. Okay, I put it on. Okay, the oven is on. Oh, this spot is so heavy.
Look, check the lobster one time you're looking.
All right?
Yeah, it looks good. It's almost done.
Yeah.
So maybe this will be the same time.
Yeah.
It's not too thick, the steak. No, it's not.
No, it's really thin. You know, take it too long with the cook. Okay, now we
No, leave the sound. Leave.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Salute e cin cin deve fare. Cin cin.
Oh, Billy said 3 more minutes for lobster. But it look maybe like it's almost done, huh?
Thank you. Okay, now. Okay, this is the dish for the lobster. Then I'll take out. Take out.
I think so. I think maybe it's ready. Because you look like it's ready.
Okay.
It looks good.
All right.
I mean, the steak now too.
Another steak.
Yeah, it looks good too.
All right. Now on the steak, what I want to do. I got a butter. If this butter melt, it gives a really good taste for the steak. I got another piece over here. Okay.
Salute, chin chin, Bill. Are you drinking something?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. It's all herb water. Yes, test give you always good taste. Yep.
Okay. All right. Now I got my lobster tail over here. Okay, I gotta put my steak. Right.
It looks good. Smells good too.
Okay, let's just try the steak. Okay? All right.
Yeah, so we have to drink just tonight. It's it. Thank you.
The steak is really tender. Mmm.
It looks good. Smells really good too. Let's cook.
They're really good. Mmm. Little spice, you got the butter, you got the lot of pepper inside. When I did it, mix it together. A lot of garlic, salt and black pepper. Salute e cincin everybody, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you for the star, and happy Valentine's Day for everybody. And remember, I drink wine, but I don't go out. I stay home. Chin chin. Salute, and we'll see next time. Chin chin.
Thank you.